Ang saya, double ang ligaya. Sa kauna-unahang pagsasama ng dalawang hari ng industriya. The one and only Comedy King meets the three-time box office king in the biggest and most awaited comedy movie event of the year. Dolphy and Vic Soto in Double Trouble. Get ready to...